The girls spent a lot of time yesterday in the coop, so I'm airing it out right now. Hopefully I'm going to find time to actually scoop it all out and put new in there, but if not, at least we'll get some fresh in there and make it smell hopefully a little bit better. I did also put new or more feed in their feeder. Did the same with the bantams. Opened up both doors to air it out a little bit. Gave them some more food. I have new hay in the hay manger, but I'm going to go get a rake to scoop the old ones away before I let the cows out. So I'm sure they'll have an opinion about that. Good morning! Good morning. Good morning, Dove. Good morning, Bridget. It's not perfect, but I got a lot of it up. And now the cows are being quiet. They were throwing a fit the entire time. Ready to go out, Atlee? I know, Bridget. I hope that's a teeny tiny spot left over from yesterday. I'd hoped that that wouldn't stop her, but apparently it did. Good morning, Bridget. Go eat your hay. There you go, Dove. Bridget apparently is being rude to Atlee. The manger is completely full. Apparently I should have swept that up. Good morning, babies. No. No, girls. Come on. Bridget's wound up this morning, so it's making all the other girls wound up. I know. Harlow's ready for her bottle. I got the wagon dumped. Now we're ready for whenever the kids come out to scoop their stalls. What's that? Hey. Calm down. Ooh, you figured it out. Alfredo followed the band of brothers out earlier, and then they left him when they came back in. All gone. All gone. Harlow doesn't like it when her bottle's all gone. Go eat some hay now? No? Good girl. Over by her buddy. Well, that was rude, wasn't it? Go find another spot to try. Bridget, be nice. Ember gives up too easily. She'll wait till the big girls are done before she tries again. Hi, sister. Need a pet? Everybody's being mean to you. I got Honey some new water. He also had taken his feed bowl out and dumped it, so I filled that back up. I filled up the girls' water and then checked on Dwayne. He is maybe wanting to be out, but oh my, I like for Wayne to do that, so he has to clean up his messes afterwards.
Let Dwayne out to run with the girls a little while. He's pretty amped up. It's Coop cleaning day again. Yay.
I brought Dwayne back in. The girls were pecking his booty and making it bleed again, so he might not be very happy, but we're going to leave him in here a few more days. I'm sorry. I collected 11 eggs from the big coop, and Wayne's out there cleaning it. One of the ducks apparently didn't feel like laying in the coop today. Another misplaced egg. The chickens are making sure Wayne's doing a good job.
So horse bedding's about $6.50 a bag. Sure tread lime's like $3.50 a bag. And it only takes, I don't know, a third of a bag to coat the coop. So we're gonna try that now because this stinks and it takes up a lot of room in our poop wagon. This we could sweep out every day if we wanted to. And so I don't know, we'll try it and see if it's any good. Yesterday it rained pretty much all day and it was kind of cold, so we didn't even let the cows out. I'm sure they would be fine out in the rain, but I guess we don't really want to chance it or spend hours trying to get them dry again, so we kept them in. And so that means they ate hay in the stalls. They went to the bathroom in here a lot more than they usually do, so we're paying for that a little bit today and yesterday. Right now I'm just trying to get all the hay pieces raked up out of here so the stall looks nice and clean. The hay probably wouldn't hurt anything, but it just looks better when it's all out. They also, when they're in here all day long, they step on their poop, and then you end up with a bunch of little pieces of poop instead of a nice patty to scoop out of here. So raking it into a pile kind of helps gather all that stuff, and then we can get rid of it. So that's what I'm doing now. And then we'll fan everything back out. Add some bedding if we need to. One thing we're kind of learning the hard way is it doesn't pay to make the bedding super thick. They just go through more of it. When they do feed it here, these pellets will kind of soak it up and keep it contained into one spot. So if your bedding's like 2 or so inches thick, then all that bedding gets destroyed instead of just a thin layer. So we try not to put new bedding in unless we absolutely have to, because we are going through a lot. And it is expensive, so we go through a lot of money, and then it's just building up on our waste pile right now. And in the summer we can burn that off it doesn't get too bad. But right now we have a huge mound of sawdust and manure, and we don't really know what to do with it yet. So yeah, we'll try to keep it to a minimum.
Wayne likes it a lot cleaner than I do. He cleaned up all the hay that they had out today on the ground and now is blowing it. Sorry, Atlee. Getting everyone wound up. You'd think they'd be used to it by now. Reliming around the hay feeder. Wayne saved the day and got me a bunch of new hose heads. I think. Got the bantams closed up. We got the big girls in. For the ducks, we did put some hay down here under the nesting boxes. So we'll see how it works out. We accidentally made an extra bottle. Both Lennox and Luca made a bottle, not knowing they had made bottles. So we thought it would be funny to see if the big girls wanted to taste the bottle, since they're always so interested in it. Bridget was having an attitude, so she had to be haltered up to get brushed. Although we've decided that's probably a good idea to go ahead and just start making them be haltered to keep everyone safe. Does that feel good, Harlow?
My full body weight was on it. She didn't even act like I was there.
Does that feel good? Wayne was scooping out a little bit of Bridget's stall and she decided to escape. Thank goodness she still comes to treats, because that was pretty easy. We've brushed the girls. Nearly everyone's laying down. We've made it through another day. And we hope you all have a great day tomorrow.